Welcome to the channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll build a simple Android app. In this tutorial, we will learn installing Android Studio, generate code using ChatGPT, build a simple Android survey app, store survey data in Google Sheets. First things first, install Android Studio on your computer. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it on screen. Our goal is to create a survey app for students. It'll ask for two inputs, name and rating from 1 to 5. Then, send this data directly to a Google Sheet. To make this faster and easier, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate the full solution for us, including Kotlin code using Jetpack Compose, a Google Apps script to receive and store the data, the required dependencies, and deployment steps. I've added the full prompt in the video description so you can try it or modify it for your own project. Once the code is generated, start by creating a Google Sheet with 3 columns: name, rating, and timestamp. Then, open the Apps Script Editor from the Extensions menu and paste the JavaScript code provided by ChatGPT. Next, deploy it as a web app. Choose New Deployment, set the type to WebApp, and make sure to allow anyone to access. Authorize the script and copy the WebApp URL. We'll need that soon. Now, let's build the Android app. Open Android Studio and create a new project. Choose Empty Activity, name the project, and select Kotlin as the language. Copy the Kotlin code from ChatGPT. In your main activity.kt, paste the Kotlin code from ChatGPT. And don't forget, replace the placeholder your web app URL with the actual URL you just copied from the Google script deployment. Next, open your build.gradle file and add the required dependencies. Then, sync the project. Run the app in the Android emulator. If it doesn't open automatically, launch it manually from the device manager. Now try submitting a response. But wait, nothing shows up in the Google Sheet yet.
That's because we need to give the app permission to access the internet.
To fix this, open Android manifest.xml and add this line. Uses permission, Android, name equals android.fisherman.internet. Sync and run the app again, and this time it works. You'll see the data appear instantly in your Google Sheet. Let's now build an APK to share your app. Go here to the Build menu and select Build APK. Once it's ready, locate and transfer the file to your phone. Install and test it. Now that your app is working, here are a few ways you can share it. Install it directly on phones via USB or file sharing. Upload it to Google Drive or your organization's intranet, or go the official route and publish it on the Play Store. Congratulations! Your first mobile app is up and running. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.